guys, the boy gamer here. And today we're back playing Wizard 101. Yeah, hey, let's get it. Just random. Oh, hell no. No, 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 nope, nope. Yeah, sure, why not? Face, eh, eh, uh, eh, blah, blah. Okay, skin, yeah. Random. Oh, she doesn't have bad. Next. Random. 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 You know what? I'll do it myself. Okay. Trim. 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 Perfect. Roll. Trim. 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 Okay. Perfect. Trim. 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 Yeah. Let's get it. Uh, hmm. Okay, so my name is gonna be. I'm gonna be five. I'm gonna be. Hmm. Hmm. I'm gonna be Cody Fire. Cody. What if I just be Fire? Is there Fire? I no. Fine. Aiden, Firecatcher. You mean Fire Panther? Catcher. Okay, done. Let's play this game. Hi. Blah blah blah. What do you want? Blah 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 blah. Who was that? What is that? Oh wow, that was amazing. Ooh. What's in the leave? It's the prison? Oh my god, it's a prison. Traitors. Let's get it. Ooh. Shut up, nobody likes you. Jeez. See, another reason why this girl. Blah, blah, okay, fine. Rank 4. Oh nah. An ice move. The scorpion. Yes. Get trolled on. Get it? What's the troll? So you're gonna get trolled? Of course I am. They can. Okay, we shall see my haters. Haters keep on hating, but I don't care. Hey, haters keep on hating. I don't really care. Pull up on the block and we looking so fresh. Got them watermelon and their politics dead. Dead and dead. Come on, please don't hurt me. Oh, ow, 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 ow. 101. Woohoo! Wow, this game is fun though. Oh, just lightning? Shark. That was amazing though. That was literally amazing. Ooh, unicorn. Little princesses will love this. I got my heel power on now. Let's battle. You're gonna lose. Oh yeah. Say bye bye, haters. No, it's not fair. See, them just are haters. They just want me to lose. Phoenix. Oh wow. Ooh, a trident. Oh wow. Oh no. Ow, that hurts. Time to die, you haters. Oh. Oh. Wow. Pig ninjas. Piglets. Ancient ninjas was pigs. My turn, you haters. Hate, hate, keep on hating. Yeah, don't hate on me. I'm the boss here. What did you came for, anyways? I know. Oh, nice. Is that a fire staff? Where did you go? I will summon you. Blah 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 blah. Nice picture though. Okay. Oh wow. This girl been getting um, pets. Okay, so at level 3 I can craft. At level 5 I can get a pet. Level 6 I can catfish. Level 10 I could play with. Level 12 I can garden. Level 5 I can purchase my own house. Alright. Oh wow. Okay guys, I had been playing this on my other account. Yeah, I just made a new account so that I could play with you. You know? Is this a new update? I think it is. Okay, so unicorn way it is. Got my unicorn way. Gotta show you the 10. Ghost? Well, guys, I think that's it for today. Huh? I'm just messing with you. Oh, okay, 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 okay. So anyway, guys, I think this is it for this episode. Make sure to uh, okay, make sure to like, subscribe. Okay, so you make sure to like, subscribe, and enjoy the spice group. Ha. Okay, so bye. This is a game called Resident City. It's an amazing game. You should play it. It's really good. Okay, so bye. See you next time. This is the end. This is episode 1. I will continue my journey. Bye bye. Make sure to like, subscribe, give a like, blah 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 blah. And the Spy Gamer is out. Peace.